how to capture a photo from the video on any iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos app and then open the video that you want the image from. Now, find the exact moment from where you want to take the picture and then tap on the pause option in the video. Now, put the video into full screen and then go ahead and take a screenshot. You can simply tap on the volume up button and the side button with iPhones with Face ID to take the screenshot, or if you are using iPhone with home button, then press the home button and the power button. Or you can also tap on your assistive touch and then tap on device and then tap on the screenshot option there. Once you have taken the screenshot, crop the screenshot to remove the video controls, as this will give you a clean photo from the frame. So, this was a way on how you can capture a photo from the video on any iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.